Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make a dish. It's Chinese dish, rice congee. So far I have 2 cups of mushroom, 1 cup of onion, and 1 cup of bell pepper. And then I sauteed it. And then I put 7 cups of water in here to boil. So next I'm going to do garlic. I'm going to do 1 tablespoon of this garlic. And then just put in here. And then we're going to do peppers. Maybe 4 shakes of this over here. And then we are going to do chicken bouillon. And this is Chinese mushroom. They call it fungus. And then this is dry. And I put in the hot water. And it looks like this. So it's better to, if you decide to use this for like lunch that you're cooking that day, start in the morning and then it'll be better then. Because it will spread out and open more. And they also sell the big one. It's like this big, and then when it open, you soak it with hot water and open it this big. And then I have rice already cooked. This is 3 cups of rice.
3 cups of dry rice?
Yes, dry rice. And then I did like 4.5 cups of water in here, and then start cooking in the rice cooker. And then cilantro and basil. And then I have sesame seed oil. And we're now going to add this. So 3 of this.
What are you putting in?
The tomato bouillon.
And how much are you putting in?
3 tablespoons.
That's a teaspoon.
Oh, sorry, teaspoon. So 3 of this should be enough. If we like more flavor, just don't add too much of the salty. So I got 1, 2, and 3. So this and this is pretty much the same, but this had tomato, and this had chicken flavor. So it depends which kind you like. There are also beef flavor, and I don't know, probably maybe a couple more out there. And then right now, this is boiling. We're gonna add a couple of teaspoons soy sauce. So that's 1, and then 2, and then we're gonna mix really well, so we can get all the seasoning already mixed. And then for basil and cilantro, maybe 3 shakes will be enough also. So 1, 2, 3. And then for basil, same thing. 1, 2, 3. And then this we're probably going to do last, because I started like maybe 30 minutes ago. So I want to let it open to get more before I cook it. So add okay, but this one, and this is 1 teaspoon. And then, but I'm not going to do this much. I'm going to do half of this. Otherwise, you get really strong sesame seed oil flavor in there. So I'm going to do half, and then put in. And then close it. And then when that's boiling, we could put the rice in. So yeah, this whole thing not gonna fit in this pot. Otherwise, it's gonna explode all over the pot. So I'm gonna scoop like, let's see, this one scoop, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's stir this and see how much more do we need. So far I have a lot of liquid, but later when it boils more, the liquid will be dissolved from the rice because the rice expand more. And so I'm gonna add a couple more in this one. So that's like 4, no, 6, 7,
9.
and 9.
10.
Let's see. I think that should be good. And then I have like this much left.
So what percentage do you think is left?
Let's see, the rice was probably like start here. Maybe 1/3.
You think a third? So there were 3 cups in there, so maybe 2 cups of dry rice would have been about right?
Yeah, maybe 2 cups of dry rice. And
Okay.
if you're a small family, you could do maybe 1.5 cup of rice for like 3 or 4 people. So, and then you probably have leftover, and then you can save for next day. And then yeah.
Does this taste good if you save it for the next day?
Yeah, it tastes good, but if we eat the same that day, if we had this for breakfast and then you have this for snack later, midnight snack or something, and then it tastes better than the next day. So
it tastes best the same day, but you can still eat it later.
yes.
Okay.
And then this is cooking. We're gonna start putting our fungus in, and I'm gonna drain this. You can see it's like this, but for this one, it's supposed to be longer. It's when it's span, it's like this long. But I cut them in half, so they're like shorter, like 1/3 now.
What do they taste like?
They don't have flavor right now. You have to cook it with it, and then the flavor will go whatever you cook with.
What texture do they have when you cook them? After you put them in the congee?
What texture? It's like chewy, crunchy, almost like bamboo. Okay, so I put the fungus in, and then I cook it maybe 20 minutes, and then the liquid has to dissolve. Look at all this.
Absorb.
Absorb, and then leave it nice and thick, and then just always make sure you stir from the bottom because the heat come up from the bottom, and then you don't want to burn it. And then I turn everything off now, so this is ready to go when you guys are ready. And then I prepare a bowl. I prepare a bowl for you guys, and then I'm gonna mix it. And then you could do, if you don't sriracha, you don't have to add any spicy if you don't like spicy. And you could also probably do chili oil or something. And then I could eat them. This is really good. Okay, thank you guys for watching this Naomi's Cookbait Cooking Show, and I hope you guys like it. And then next week we're doing something else, but I don't know yet. And